Oh my god. Oh my god. The code worked. The code gave me a dragon fruit. Guys, like the video right now for a super seed. Super seed. Comment down below super. Okay, comment down below super. Right now, I'm gonna be showing you all the new working codes in Grow a Garden. So I just spawned in a dragon fruit. Oh my god. And if you go to this place right over here, the quest giver and the gear shop, there will be a secret man, okay? There will be a secret man. Talk to the daily quest NPC right here. Boom, talk with the raffle. Raffle, my dude, what is going on with the raffle, man? And you can see that you can claim all these quests, and if you complete everything, you get 2 seed packs. 2 seed packs, which is insane. Some people get even 5 seed packs. There's also all these sprinklers, the godly sprinkler that I can buy right now, which I'm not gonna do because that's like, it's gonna be for a short time, okay? The godly sprinkler only lasts for like 10 minutes and then it's gone. But guys, I can show you a trick how to restock the stock, like the shop. If you want to restock the shop, you can do that by very simply going to your garden, clicking on your picture right here. On your picture, click it once, go on sell, and then walk to the restock guy, and then you have to leave the game and rejoin, and then it's gonna be restocked. Because in every server it's a different restock method, and in this server in particular you can restock your fruits by liking the video. And if you like the video, guys, then your fruits will be restocked by pure luck and pure amazement. God has given us the power to give us all the fruits that we wanted, and he has actually given us apples. Apples! Look at all these beautiful apples. Apple, apple, apple. Alright guys, so what you want to do is literally go to your comments down below right now. Comment the secret word that I told you. And the next thing that you need to do is like and subscribe. And then God will give you the super seed.